What's going on, y'all? It's your boy DC in the building. It's Tuesday, May 19th. Y'all know the vibe. Shit, right now we looking at gold. There's nothing on there. All we see is that price broke major levels of support after holding this entire level of support right here. Aggressive downtrend right now. Right now it's type of showing like a setup, but we not taking this because there's no confluence with it. There's no 5 minute supply and there's no 5 minute resistance, so we're not taking this unless we tap here. We come back here, tap it, and continue to the downside. That's the only way we'll take this setup. There is no news today that we have to worry about. Let me see, where is that? There's no news. This is not important. It's not gonna affect our trade no way, shape, or form. So it's nothing we have to worry about on that. This is the account. This is the account. Yesterday we had a break-even trade. Price came so close to our take profit, and then it's just reversed. It's just reversed back to break even and ended up being a loser, and it just kept dropping yesterday. But we closed it right at break even. But we took that. So all we need right now is this amount to get to the funded account and to next get a payout. We only focus on winning. That's all we focused on. There's nothing else we gotta focus on. So only focus on winning, bro. Nothing else matters. Only focus on winning. Crude oil is on nothing, going back and forth. It created this higher high, but I don't see price holding this level of this demand zone right here. It just might. We'll see. We'll see if we get that. But for right now, I don't see nothing else. It's on a consistent uptrend. That's for sure. And nothing on the 15. Nothing on the 15. That was very aggressive right here. This was very aggressive. This move to the upside and then to recover like that. Yeah, that's aggressive. It may hold here or consolidate, but that was very aggressive. I'm not gonna lie, we might not even get a settle today. We might not even get a settle today. What else? What else? Yeah, there's nothing else, bro. Spy is on nothing. That's a spy. Spy's having a retracement. is having a retracement. It's not that big. It's like 1%. So 2%. Last time I seen it was yesterday. It was like right here. But yeah, that's not that big of a retracement. Bitcoin. I want to see how Bitcoin is gonna react once we close below the 13 EMA on the weekly time frame. Right now it's forming into a downtrend on the daily time frame. It's turning into a downtrend on the daily time frame. Because it broke this level of support, created a lower high, and then it kept going. Seen clear on the 4-hour. Broke right here, lower high, kept going. Let me put some music, bro. We haven't put the piano in mad long. I don't remember last time we put the piano. You know what I want to do? I want to go to a place that's playing music like this and have a glass of wine. That would be dope. But where I live, I was looking for, and I ain't seen nothing. Some things came up, but it don't look like the vibe. It don't look like the vibe. We just might see Bitcoin breaking below this level right here. Below 65,000. I do see that. We might possibly get that. I'm hoping we do. Ethereum. I should put. What the hell was that? Mm, I'm gonna turn this one on. Cause since it's on the weekly and it's moving back and forth, it's gonna keep ringing. So I'm about to say, how long is that thing gonna keep ringing? See this setup, I'm not taking it. It's gonna close below the 13, and then yeah, but I'm not taking it though because it doesn't have any confluence. If I was to take it, I would take it with such a like super low size. But I don't like trades like this. Volume is pretty high. Look at the size of this candle. It's 14. It was 20 points. 200 points. Crazy. I'm not taking this. I'm cool. The 1 minute though. The 1 minute is on a short-term uptrend. And once we break here, it's gonna continue the downtrend on the higher time frame, the 5 minute. And so, but I wouldn't take this. If I would have taken this, it would have been like super low size, but it doesn't really even make sense to even take this. Well, one contract. I don't see the worth. See what I said? It was not gonna hold this demand zone. Not at all. Cause the way this thing reacted, like this strong move to the upside and then getting these two candles, you're crazy. To hold here, hell no. It's like trying to stop a train. You're crazy. I mean, that wouldn't have been a bad trade. Counter trend. Oh, the light is dying. Damn. Let me see. Let me see if I have the charger. Right, I think it's supposed to be charging. Yeah, it's charging. I don't know why it's reacting like that. I think it's tweaking. I held the level of support though, not the demand zone. I held right here. How big is this? 47? Interesting. Should I take this? I should take this. It don't look like a bad setup. Yeah, I should take this. Nah, I'm gonna pass up on this. I'm gonna pass up. Even though it could be a winner, I'm gonna pass up on it. Why? It could try to recover this wick, this entire wick right here. Damn, gold went for a 1 or 2. That 50 on the 1 minute on crude oil is playing defense for real. I ain't really. I did like the setup, but it was just this long wick on the 15. It don't look right. Price might want to recover that, or at least if we bounce from the support again, then I'll probably take this. If we bounce from this support. Gold and oil going down at the same time, that's odd. Yeah, the 13 and the 50 are crossing to the downside. Like I said, if we bounce from here, then I'll probably look into taking this. We bounce from here. Look at gold. Look at gold, man. That thing almost hit a 1 or 2. Moment of truth. I gotta give myself a haircut, bro. I really have to. I'm looking crazy. Let me see. Can gold give us a setup? I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. I'm legally blind. Yeah, I see nothing on gold. I just really don't see nothing on gold. Boom. If we get a bounce from this support, I might just take this. I might just take this. But it can't be no weak candles like these. I need to see something like this. Something like this. Something like this. Something like this. If not, I'm not taking it. It gotta look beautiful. It needs to look beautiful. Damn, United? Look at United Airlines. I've been contemplating to take this. I want to take this. I probably should buy it today, bro. I probably should buy it today. Everything else is hidden. On the previous lives, y'all see how I call these things. Microsoft, I ain't seen nothing on Microsoft, so I left it alone. When I don't see nothing on something, I should leave it alone. If you don't see your setup, leave it alone. Walk away. Come back tomorrow. Come back a different time frame. A different trading session, not a different time frame. Damn. Lowe's is hitting like that? That thing look clean on Lowe's. Damn. What the hell? AMD wildin' for real. Let's see. Let me turn on the other EMAs. Gold, there's nothing on gold, man. Damn. That thing green. I remember I made a put on this setup. I think I took it like around here. Took it around here, and it hit my stop loss. Well, my stop loss was up here, but the contract didn't have any more time left because I took it for like a month or so. This is on a weekly time frame, so it stopped me out around this candle or this candle, something like that. And it was just taking too long. It's been like, how long has this been? The move, the trade I took it on in December, and now it's happening. Like, that's too far. Nah, hell nah. I ain't waiting for that. Crazy. Take my stop loss and move on. It wasn't even making that much either way, so it don't even matter. I just took the risk. Let's see if we have something going on any of these companies. If y'all have any companies that y'all want me to look at, or y'all want me to, you feel me, to watch out for, just put it down below. Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. There's this company, let me look it up. There's this company that gives the chicken that is sold in KFC, what other things that they say? KFC. Basically all the big industries that sell chicken, they get it from this one company. And I'm about to look up that company right now. I seen it yesterday. Where is that thing? Oh, it's right here. So Tyson Chicken, it gives the food to McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, Taco Bell, Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, and Popeyes. And they all come from Tyson Chicken. So we gonna look that thing up right now. Before we look at all these companies, we gonna look that thing up. What is gold on? Okay. I don't wanna come here and force a trade on gold. Not at all. Right now is tapping a 5-minute demand resistance level. Not a demand zone. This is the same thing it did to me on Thursday and yesterday. Yesterday it almost came to the 101. It was like 0.9, and then it reversed to break even, and then it kept going to the other side. Right here. Show you right here. It's right here. Price came so close to my take profit. Boom, and then reversed, and then it kept going. So I was like, yeah, I'm out of here. Before it even turned into a loser, I was like, I'm out of here. I'm out. Always trust your judgment on the market. Trust your skill. If you've been doing this, if you've been studying, trust your skill, bro. Don't try to go against it. Nah, but I think it's gonna keep. Nah, stop it. Stop it. You sound foolish. You sound like a fool. Hoping and stuff. Just cut the thing. Yeah, I want to see like a break over the 13 and then hold here, but this is not really like a strong resistance level. Not the strongest, because then all the AMAs are all the way up here, so this is not looking the best. If we would have done this by now, we would have came here, I would have taken it right here, right at this high, right there. I would have taken it, but since it didn't do that, I passed up on it. Okay, now let's look up Tyson Chicken. I don't even know the ticket for that thing. Tyson Chicken. Everybody be thinking like, oh, these chickens taste different. Hell nah. Y'all getting the same chicken from the same factory. Aldi's Kirkland wings are also from Tyson Chicken. That's crazy. That's filthy. There's this place I go that is called Brunswick. Hey, that's the best chicken. I don't see them on this list. I don't see them on this list, so I'm chilling. I barely even get it. I get it like once every 4 months, for real. I'll be getting the picadera. You feel me? Some pica pollo. Y'all don't know about that. Pull up to Jersey. Show you. Yeah, I might move over here. I want to see who else is on this list. What is the ticker? Tyson Foods Inc. Okay, but what is the ticker? Ticker symbol TSN. Let's go on and see that. TSN. Tyson Foods. Damn, that thing is booming. For how long that thing booming? Damn. Since the 85s? God damn. Before that? Since the 70s? Golly. Yeah, what was my mom doing? She should have invested in something like this. From 15 cents, no, from 2 cents or lower, 1 cent. That thing is all the way. Golly. Even with $10, we would have been chilling. But $10 in the 70s, that was kind of a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe, I'm not sure. I wasn't in those time frames. But right now, it's looking pretty good. That might be a buy. Let me add it to my watch list. Shoot, Tyson Chicken, hell yeah. We on you now. Hell yeah. Look how smooth this thing be moving. It does consolidate a lot, I'm not gonna lie. But it keeps moving to the upside like there's no tomorrow. I'm not sitting here supporting McDonald's, none of that stuff. I'm just investing, moving my money. I'm not telling you to go eat that stuff. If you want to, go do it, but it's not something I would recommend to go do. Not something I would recommend to go do. Not at all. There's better alternatives than McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's. There's way better alternatives than that. But you do what you want. It's your life at the end of the day. If y'all look up what ingredients these things have, yeah, y'all probably not gonna be eating it. I'll probably trade this. I'm not gonna lie. I just gotta wait for a setup. But now you're on my watch list. It moves pretty slow, but it's not gonna fail you. It's better than having your money sitting in cash. Because in the span of since October 27, 28, no, October 27, that week of October 27, 28, 29, 28, all the way till now, it's gone up about 40%. If you put $1,000 and you should having it cash, it's not gonna make you no money. But if you would have put it in here, $1,000 would have turned into 1,400. Better than nothing. And if you would have put it, let's say in November of 2023, that would have been 1,000 turned into, let's see, into almost 2,000. and you just it's basically like a savings account. But I'm not no financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I think and what I see and what I know from my own perspective. And it's simple math too. Like you could go here and look at it yourself, literally. This is free information. And they pay dividend. They pay dividend. Every share you have, 50 cents? That's pretty high. Damn. What? Every every month? No, they can't do every month. Let me see. When was the previous dividend? February. And then the next dividend was June. June? We're not even in June. Oh. Ah. Okay. So they paid out Friday, 13 March 26. And then the next pay is gonna be, bro, I'm buying this. Bro. I just gotta wait for a dip. What? It pays every 3 months? That's solid. 3 to 4 months? That's solid, bro. And every share you have, right now it costs 66 cents, right? It's I think it's $66. For one share that you have, they're gonna pay you 50 cents. Right? So if you have two shares, that's $120 invested, they're gonna pay you $1 every 4 months. But it seems little, but then it compounds. If like let's say you have 5 shares, which will be like $400. From that 5 shares, they're gonna be paying you almost $3 a share, almost $3 every 4 months, and then it keeps growing every single time because it's gonna be reinvested. Because I'm not gonna explain myself, bro. Y'all should know this. I'm not gonna lie. If you're new, there's free information on YouTube, or just text me on Discord. But this is free information for everybody. I'm like that. I don't care. I'm like that. Price is holding on gold, but it never gave me an entry. It has not given me an entry, so we chilling for now. It is. It's too late now. Yeah. I'm not taking this. Nah. I'm straight. Should I take this 15-minute? That's gonna take too long. It's gonna take super long. 42 points, that's not bad. We'll see. It has 10 more minutes to go. I'll probably take this on the 15, not on the 5. My feet are freezing. My mom has that AC on blast, bro. My feet are freezing. But yeah, I already added Tyson foods to my watch list, so we're gonna be watching it. I'm gonna study it. Not study, I'm gonna analyze it. And then I'm gonna be setting some places to buy. Yes, sir. This thing look ugly, son. Oh, that's London High. This New York High. Okay. And then it created almost equal lows with London. So we'll see, man. Price is right in the 13 EMA. Very, very clean. The candle's gonna close in 8 minutes. The 1 hour candle. Let me take this off. Let me take the EMAs off. What does this look like? Looks like a bunch of nothing. Looks like a bunch of nothing. A consistent uptrend though. If this candle closes strong, like maybe like at the top of this wick, then it's gonna be looking good to test these highs, and then I'll take my entry. But if not, I'm not taking this, bro. And I'll probably just hop off because there's nothing going on in the market. Nothing at all. And my feet are freezing. Okay, let's go look at the other stocks. Let me just put one screen. Should drag it this way. This is Trump's company. That thing is doing terrible. Like super terrible. I don't know how. American Airlines. This used to be my favorite stock. Used to. Not no more. Boeing. Boeing airplane. Oh my lord. And JP Morgan. JP Morgan is actually one of the best investments ever. I'm telling you right now, there is nothing better than JP Morgan. This thing don't stop going up no matter what. No matter what. I've been trying to study it, see where I could buy, but it's just straight going up. Straight going up. Target trash. What? Target isn't like that. Target is trash. Okay, okay. Let me take this off. Correlate this with something over here. Put one in the middle. Let's do it right here. With this on. Sony Group. That's interesting. Caterpillar is actually one of my favorite companies too. I just haven't bought it. This thing is, it's crazy flying, and it has a dividend. For each share you have, they pay you $1.50, but their shares is like $1,000. When I have crazy amounts of money, this is what I'm buying. I'm so serious. Damn. I analyzed this in 2022. It was at 100. Right now it's at 800. Dang. And then again, April 2025. Damn, son. The opportunities is there. Definitely are there. And look at these two. I might just put this one in yellow. And JP Morgan. Home Depot is one of my favorite stocks too. Cause nobody can live without a home. Well, a lot of people need houses. I'll say that. A lot of people need houses. Home Depot and Lowe's. Great investments. Great investments. When it has to do with healthcare, housing, like real estate and things like that, rentals, food industry, like basic needs for every human, everybody in this world. When it comes to healthcare, financial, food, entertainment, and real estate, I say out of those five, my favorite ones is healthcare and real estate. Entertainment varies because there's always something new coming out with for entertainment and things like that. So entertainment varies a lot. I don't see no setups on none of this. Maybe on this one. I might short this one. Hims. Gold is now breaking above the 13. It's 11. What did crude decide to do? Nah, I'm not taking this. Like how this candle closed so ugly. I'm cool. GBP USD. You pay dividends too? Google is a great stock to invest into. You should look at it. That thing is flying. Johnson & Johnson is flying. Healthcare again. You feel me? But I thought it was a movie. That that looked fire. I was thinking like, yo, I gotta go watch that movie. But it was just an ad for Marine Corps. I'm not going to no Marine Corps. Uber. Chipotle, terrible stock. Dollar General. Interesting. I ain't never take this. My friend told me about this. Tesla. What's going on with the light, bro? Can y'all still see me, bro? What's going on, G? Have a good day. You have a good day, my brother. I appreciate you. What you been on? What you trading? What you looking at? Like I said, I need another monitor where I could keep the chat, because I don't be seeing this. I don't be seeing the chat. On here, I have my trading. I have the where I analyze, which is trading view. And then on here, I have where I take the trade, which is Tradeovate. And then I open the chat whenever it needs to be opened. Well, so often than not. All right, let's lock in, because gold is it's making a move, and let's see if we should take this or not. Let's see if we should just take this or not. I guess we're not taking this. We're not taking this. where we were at. Let me see. What's going on in the chat? What's live? What's live? It's bullish? You think so? What makes you say that? Share your insight. What makes you say it's bullish? It looks like an aggressive downtrend to me. Market structure shift? Where? Where you see that? I would say that would happen on the 1 minute. Right here when it broke levels of resistance right here from this higher low. And now is most likely going to be breaking this level of resistance since it created a higher low. But it needs to break these closing candles. If not, it's gonna keep respecting it. I still see sells. Tesla. This is where we were at. What is going on with Tesla? Let's keep Tesla on a watch. Roku, I would have thought. I would have never thought. Amazon, great company. Zoom, not so much. Not so much. My own perspective though. PayPal, I thought it was a great company, but it's not. Maybe not now. Oh, I seen something. Hold on. I seen something where you could pay later. I seen 3 types. There's Karma, Afterpay. What was the other one? Karma, Afterpay. What was the other one? I don't fully remember, but let me look that up. What is Afterpay? Like, is that from Cash App? Because it had like a Cash App symbol. Afterpay. Ticker. No. Stock. Afterpay no longer trades as an independent stock. The company was acquired by Block. Oh, word? Wait, but Block turned into XYZ. What do you mean? Because I have it right here. Oh. See? We on something. We on something, bro. I already knew this company was great. This was one of my... I really used to like this company because I seen the boom on it on 2020. But I never bought it. I only traded it. As y'all can see, all this stuff. I took a couple wins. I haven't taken out one loss on this company. Oh wow, that's tough. Square, Block. That's tough. What about Afterpay? No, that's Afterpay. That got bought by Block. What about Karma? What is that? Karma. Karma stock. Karma Energy? Hell no. No, it's not that one. Okay, so we're at Lyft. Lyft, same as Uber. Airbnb, not doing so great. Airbnb. It's not doing so great. I did trade it there a while ago. I got a win, but it took so long for that win to happen. It wasn't even worth it. That thing be consolidating for years. What happened to Walmart? Walmart. What the hell is this? This one. Let me add it because this is supposed to be Walmart. Damn, Walmart is flying. Damn. Walmart has not seen a bad day in its life. They pay dividend? How much? 24 cents? Hell no. But it's a great return on the upside. Like from April to now, that's almost 100%. Almost 100%. Well, all right, y'all. We're not getting no setups today. Let me see the chat. Yeah, we're not gonna get any setups today, so I'm about to get out of here. Peace, love, and abundance to all of y'all. I appreciate y'all, whoever was watching. Have a blessed rest of y'all day. Have a great day, for real. If you don't see your setups, just walk off the chart. Do not stay watching this because you go crazy. You'll start making things up in your mind. And you don't want to be in that position because you're just going to put yourself in. You're going to put your account at risk. And you might go crazy, for real. But peace, love, and abundance. I appreciate y'all. Peace. I'm out of here.